In this short lesson, we will try to explore some tips and tricks applicable in HYSY. It will really help you to improve your productivity and proficiency. If you want to add a material stream on your process flow sheet, just press the function key F11 to add the material stream. Input the name feed. Put temperature 25 degrees Celsius, pressure 1 bar. To do a unit selection during input, enter the value, then press space button and enter the unit initial like B for bar, then enter. Now, input the flow rate, 100 kilogram mole per hour. Then, go to composition and input 1 as a mole fraction of methane. Then click OK button. You can see that the stream is solved. Now, close the input window. Now, put compressor operation on the flow sheet. In order to make connections, hold the control button, then simply do the drag and drop action by selecting square shape appearing on streams and unit operations. Now, double-click the compressor out stream. Input, out pressure 6 bars. Then, close the window. Now, you can see the compressor is solved. If you want to show flow on simulation screen, just hold the Shift button and press F for flow. If you want to show pressure on screen, just hold the Shift button and press P to show pressure. Then again hold the Shift button and press N to show stream names. In order to show the workbook table, right-click on the screen. Then choose Add Workbook Table to show the heat and material balance on screen. Now choose Material Streams option. At the bottom, you can see the table. To rotate any stream or unit operation, just select it and press 1 button. If you want to change equipment shape, right-click the selected equipment, then choose Change Icon. Select your desired icon and click OK button. To make streams thicker, right-click the selected stream and choose Draw Thicker Stream Line. To show table for the stream or equipment, right-click the stream or equipment, then select the Show Table option. In order to modify the table, double-click on it. Click the Remove button to remove variable. To add mass flow, click on Add button. Select the mass flow from the selection list. Now, uncheck the Show Label and Show Border to hide them. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn new skills online, join our expert lead training courses. Visit our website, www.omsolglobal.com, or send your queries at admin@omsolglobal.com. For more videos, you can follow our YouTube channel.